Hi guys, welcome to this system. It's the plasma system created with the latest ISO I have, and you can have the same frustration or feeling when you are inside a system, one in 23 desktops, right? There is no longer electron. So type it in, do you see electron, and a long list of them, then you're probably in the same boat, so to speak. You're actually seeing the same thing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons, and they would appear, and they did appear a few minutes ago, all in my menu. And I don't want that, right? I don't want it at all. So what do? You are going to install this particular package. ArcoLinux, where are you, my friend? ArcoLinux local applications all hide git. Let's do it like this. Last line. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux local applications all meaning all desktops, hide git. So we're gonna make a technical file to tell to the system, and not all systems, not all 23 desktops read that particular folder and file. Hide it. We don't want to see it. And Plasma works just fine, XFC works just fine, and so on. So if there are applications out there, you say, I don't want to have you on my system here. Compton or pacman is another thing. Applications that are not intended to start from a menu, or shouldn't be, in your eyes, of course, in your opinion, in the menu. A user, but also a distro builder, can decide to make a package and tell them don't appear there. So what's going to happen is, if you install that particular package, it's going to go in the etc scal, right? Always. It tells you we're not going to write things to your home directory. It's up to you to decide if you want to have it in the home directory. And there's a little alias for it, right? Scal. Or you just do what I do now. Don't want to mess up your coding or your design or whatever. And you know, anybody can copy paste, I hope so, right? So scal local share application, Control A, Control C, boom. It's in the memory. And now you go to the home, your personal thing, config, no Eric, local, local share. And what do we find here after a scal? This, right? So Control V. Overwrite, apply, yes, overwrite, go ahead. Boom, it's all there. And technically, what did we do? Technically, we told him no display equals true. That's it. That line tells the desktop to not display the menu. And that's it. That's the magic we do for our desktops. So, interesting for users, because if they have other applications, they say, I hate that, this or that, then you go to the user, the share, to the applications. Here are all the desktop files, and tell them, don't want to see this assistant Qt thing in my menu. Control C, go to your home, go to your local, go to your share, go to your applications, copy paste it in there. Compare, what was it again? Right mouse click, open thing. No display true. Okay, Control C, go down there, open up again, open menu, add it to the list, or sometimes it's already in there somewhere up there and it says false, and you say true. Voila, it will not be displayed next time. The assistant won't be there. And that's how we tweak a little bit, tune our own system, because it's local. It's you. You make decisions, and that's the technicality behind it. All right, guys, so enjoy. I did show you here there's one package, right? All hide, meaning all for all desktops. It just contains the electron there. This one we used to have, I've emptied it because it only contained electron, so that moved in here. It just there as a placeholder. Still there's electron 1 in there, but nobody using it. Just a placeholder for future things. If there is something specific we want to hide in Plasma, we'll use that package. And this is the ArcoLinux local application where we started with. So XFC OpenBox i3, that's where we started years ago with that package, which contains lots of things like pacman and stuff like that. We don't want to see menu in the menu, right? All right, enjoy ArcoLinux. We are tweaking, right? This is just minor interventions, but it's frustrating to see 6 electrons and none of them are meant to be there really. All right, cheers.